Day one of the 2-week Cape trip. Up early just before sunrise on the road. Almost in Ingham already. Plan for today is to make good time getting to Cairns. And then, weather permitting, hopefully it's not raining, and head straight into the CREB track. And then we're going to camp halfway along that tonight. So, yeah, hopefully today goes well. Let's get into it. If you're ever going through Ingham and looking for a decent bakery, just plain old-fashioned bakery. Mixed Bread Kitchen. Always good. Used to come here when we used to do fishing trips up to Lucinda. Good coffee. Yeah, that'll do for breakfast. Back on the road. It's been raining lightly for the last probably 150k. Hoping a bit of sunshine over there coming out of the clouds sticks around. Pretty much everything I've read says that you shouldn't do the CREB track if it's been raining, so fingers crossed we get more of that. Got to stop in at Bunnings at Cairns, try and get a spare chainsaw chain for the chainsaw just in case, because we'll be chopping up a fair bit of firewood over the next 2 weeks. And then yeah, I might check out the weather radar, make a plan from there, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed and do the CREB track. Had a quick stop in Cairns for fuel, fully fueled up, stopped by Bunnings, grabbed some extra tie-down straps, and now we're just going to go grab a quick bite to eat over at the Ellis Beach pub, Ellis Beach Bar and Grill. Been here before when I've come up to Port Douglas, it's not too bad. Just grab something easy and then punch on to the start of the CREB track. It's about another hour and a half I think, so we'll do that. Big barrel.
Yeah, that's pretty much Creek Road, 1 kilometre.
Just went through the little river crossing at the start of the track. Time to get into it. Air down to 26 psi straight away. May as well not mess around. Start with 26, go from there. There has been a bit of rain the last couple of days, but it's mostly dry and dusty, but there is some wet sections, so I don't know what's going on there, maybe isolated showers, but I've got a winch and recovery tracks and all that sort of shit, so yeah, keen as. Let's get into it. 50 metres into the track. That's pretty much a bog hole. Let's see how this goes.
Oh, so I don't mind, I can't see.
It's taking what?
You go right, probably.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that is deep.
Jesus.
Oh, how are you going to make it through that now?
You're not.
Crap.
You're not making it through that.
The other way.
There's a massive hole up there. Look at it.
This is like where it ends. 50 meters into the track, you're already dead.
We may not be doing this. That's hectic, Bailey. Four-wheel low.
Probably be easy not even to do the CREB track at this point.
Yeah, I don't know. Hold the camera.
So are we going to do the CREB track or not?
That's nuts.
That's cursed. Jesus! No, we're vlogged. We're vlogged, admit that. No.
We made it! I want to get a video of that. Let's go out. I've got to go up here. We'll go back and have a look at that. That was hectic. So to choose between this car-sized bog hole. Actually, it's lucky that that side there's got a bit of an embankment on the side. We walked up there and walked its way up. That's ridiculous. 50 metres into the track. It's already a complete sloppy bog hole, so I don't know. I love four-wheel driving. Tough tracks are cool. It's not going to be fun if you've got to winch every bloody third obstacle. So here we go. I've got mud tyres and all the rest of the gear. Don't have lockers though. Oh well. Let's do it.
stay over a bit?
Yeah, I'll have to get down and walk around, yeah. What? Yeah, we don't fall over, Bailey. Pretty steep.
What are we doing? So what are we on?
He's up it. We came around the corner and ran into an absolute slop hole show.
So what are we doing?
80 series is buried in the bog hole. Old mate's just dropped it again up there. He almost made it. I'm not sure what to do yet. Might turn around and go back down.
Whoop.
We'll roll back down to here, Bailey. This is sketchy as
I don't know how we can make it someday.
Alright. I reckon I can maybe get that out there. We might. We might. So I don't know how much of that I got up the top, but there was like 2 or 3 cars bogged, more waiting down the bottom. There's been a bit of rain over the last couple of days.
Does make you steering a bit stiffer, that's all.
It's pretty much impassable up that incline. And I think there's more of them after that are worse. So we're just going to go back the way we come, hope we can get back out there. This first one here was sketchy. That just took me 2 or 3 attempts and some mad left-right side biting of the tyres. So yeah, see if I can get out before it gets dark and then find somewhere to camp. So plan B, we've retreated back to the Daintree ferry. She's coming back across the river over there slowly. So plan is jump on the ferry down here, shoot up through here, and we're just going to find somewhere to camp. So free camp here at, well, not free camp, but National Park camp there at Noel Beach or Cape Tribulation. Hopefully we can get into either of those. Otherwise we're camping on the track somewhere. And then probably from there in the morning we'll go up through Bloomfield, Lions Den, all that sort of stuff. So that's plan B at the moment. Maybe we'll get to plan C, plan D, who knows? Stay tuned. See ya.
Road for 29 kilometres.
Daintree in the dark. Not sure where we ended up off last night. I got stuck at Noah's campground. So we went in there and then went to book a site. Like drove through there was about 6 sites vacant. So we thought we'd do the right thing, drive a couple of 100 metres up the road where they said it was there was still phone reception. Went there to book and it shows that all the sites are all booked out, which probably isn't right. It's probably people booking and then not cancelling. So yeah, got stuck there. Thought about going back and just camping in one of them without booking, but you can get on the spot fines, and knowing my luck, someone would show up half an hour later. That was just getting in late. So headed to the next one, which was Cape Tribulation camping, and it was also booked out, but we were just about to turn around and leave from the office, and then a lady said, oh, I think there's one spot left. So we ended up getting just a single vehicle powered site. Didn't need power, but got to take what you can get. I think it was only about 28 bucks, and it turned out absolutely mint. It's got a full bar with a big wooden veranda, wood-fired pizzas for dinner last night, crepes this morning, crepe van over there. So yeah, absolute score. And it's like 50 metres back from the beach through the trees over here. So yeah, I'll take that as a win. So yeah, I'll call that the end of day 1. Today we're attacking day 2, revised plans that are going through the CREB track and up to Wujal. We're going just up the coast road, Bloomfield track. Stop and see whatever sites show up on Wikicamps and see where we get from there. Maybe go to Lions Den, and then around lunchtime work out somewhere to camp tonight.
Points of interest.
Points of interest, Bailey reckons. All the points he wants to see all the points of interest on Wikicamps. Really good app if you don't have it. I think it's about $7. Definitely worth it. So yeah, I might roll on some shots of just the campground so you can check that out, and then we'll hit the road. Bit of sunshine over there. Having a bit of. So pretty much heard if it's rain. I keep stuttering it up.
Yeah.
I edited it out. So annoying. Pretty much everything I've read says that if it's raining, you shouldn't do the CREB. Pretty much everything I've read that says, no, that's not even it either. So it's ridiculous, eh? Just did the little river crossing.